Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover Bitcoin market and I see potential for the further upside movement today. We have a decent growth and upside momentum, and let's start first from a daily time frame perspective. So what we have here, I'll take the pen here so I can see more clear. So what we have here is potential completion of the ABC structure on the daily time frame. We basically last Friday we cleared that previous swing low on a daily time frame, and today we can see the strong rebound back into this range again. So this may be a classic completion of the ABC that took a couple of weeks to develop, and I see potential for the upside movement, especially because we have a long-term uptrends, long-term moving averages pointing to the upside, and we had a strong upside leg in the background, basically whole of April and May. This may be just a correction for potential further upside continuation, the retest of the previous swing highs. Now, if we go to the lower time frames, so we'll also point this swing low, and this will be the level around 100,500 mark with just a strong rebound back. So from my perspective, if you go even to the 4-hour time frame, there's a clean extreme here in the 4-hour time frame. So this is a pretty good sign, and basically buying tails from the bottom. And if you go to the 15-minute time frame, there is a clean upside structure, a shift from the downside to the upside. So it's a very good sign. Now, if I need to, let's put the long position tool here. So I will say, from my perspective, protective stop to be around 99,150 mark, and then to target basically previous swing highs, because there is like almost two times or more bigger reward versus initial risk. That will be initial idea, that will be almost 3 times bigger reward versus initial risk. The price can go towards 110,500 mark. Almost 3 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So I think, and that's a very interesting structure. Market traded aggressively into this moving averages on a 15-minute time frame, and then we had basically this consolidation here, and then upside continuation here. So that's a pretty strong inflow into Bitcoin this morning, and I expect and I see potential for the further higher price, almost 2 to 3 times bigger versus initial risk, and this buy trade idea on the Bitcoin and potential completion of the ABC structure on the daily time frame. That'll be all for this FXCentrum trade idea. Feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel and leave the comments below. Also, you can absolutely visit our 1,000 euros non-deposit bonus by FXCentrum. We have a link in the description of the video. That'll be all for this analysis. Trade safe and speak to you soon.